Hey there people, well I'm at it again. I'm gonna try to get some scrap today. Like today's the day I have to get scrap. I have to. It's kind of not too bad because it's I'm doing my neighborhood, the hood. But anyway, let's see what we can find. I found a Christmas tree already. That's no good. Oh, 2 Christmas trees and a snowman. We need metal. Metal on metal. Well, I can't believe my luck. Look what I found. That's perfect camera for me. Okay, we'll load that and carry on. I wish. Buddy was looking at me pretty funny there. I guess he thought I was gonna steal his camera. Okay, anyway, back to work. Let's find some scrap. Like, this is pathetic. Pathetic. Son of a gun. Whatever, I'm desperate. It all helps. Right on. I need that. Well, I seen this here last week. I didn't stop and ask about it, but I'm certainly gonna ask today. Let's go knock. So yeah, no go on the stove. She's giving it to another scrapper that popped in earlier. But anyway, she has a fridge for me in 2 weeks, so I got her number and stuff. So anyway, till then, I guess. Yeah, gasoline fixed up my starter thing a little bit there. I can start it from inside again. That's kind of cool. It won't last though. That's very thin aluminum in there, I'll tell you. Anyway, let's go find some shit. It all helps. Whee! Let's grab that. Let's see if we can grab that. Well, we should hook up.
Yeah, I'll be here.
I'll go up in front of you then. Yeah. Right on. Right on. That helped. Well, anyway, he told me drive by the shop, like whenever anything's outside, grab it. So we will do that. Cool. That made my day. So the owner of this place told me there's some shit behind his building. Let's go see what's there. I think he said a futon frame or some shit, I don't know. Let's go find out. With my luck, it won't be there. Ah yeah. Bed frame or something. Futon frame. Let's grab that. Well, there's today's haul. Not too bad. Go with that. Beer time. My Kijiji ad was expired, so I put it back up. Maybe that'll help. Did you guys ever see my office chair? Yeah. Right on, people. Well, thanks a lot for coming for a ride with me. That was pretty cool. Well, overall, I did pretty good. Like, I might have been gone for 45 minutes or so. I'm sure I got $40 worth of shit. So that's good. Like, I'm happy with 40 bucks a day. You know, maybe I spent $5 of gas, if that. Anyway, it all worked out, and I hooked up with Reliance Home Comfort. So I'm gonna pick up some water heaters, furnaces, good stuff. Anyway, people, thanks for watching. Cheers. And we'll talk to you later.